we're going to help some of our sales friends by creating a program using game-based approaches that can allow them to train some of their new salespeople in cars. So we're starting by creating an evolving experience. They're going to have to learn how to use this game. There'll be a little regional competition, and the game has been purchased by the company so that they need to know how to do that. They're also going to have to study the different sales approaches. And in doing that, they need to use the sales manuals that have been created to look at the different types of people coming in to buy cars. And they also have to know the car inventory. Now, if they do this right, they'll be able to balance out so that they can now move towards the core loop. In this core loop, they're going to actually go through the game. They're going to have to identify the customer interest. They're going to have to know the car inventory. And once they do that, they start with the persuasion of connecting the customer and the car. They'll be using the HypoSales game to actually determine whether their strategies work or not based on the algorithms programmed into the game. Now, what will make this challenging is there are going to be limited resources. They'll be moved to see who gets to their quota first, and so they'll be balancing off the type of car they're selling, the type of customer, resistance known by particular type of customers. But once they've won over that customer, they're going to get a real sense of ownership. They will be getting more confidence in their skills in sales. Another thing we're hoping, though, is that by doing this, we're going to get, although there'll be a regional competition, we want them to get to know some of the other new salespeople coming in, because ultimately it'll be those one-on-one tips that they share among themselves that are going to be the most helpful. So during the training, we're hoping to start developing some of these social interactions. And I think only time's going to tell how well this works.